Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple, easy date night eyeshadow look, and I'm starting off with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion, and I'm just going to blend that in using my finger. Now I'm going to take the NYX Blame It On Midnight Single Eyeshadow, and I'm just going to set that primer from the crease to the brow, and this is also going to serve as my matte highlight. Is not really a highlighter, but that's what it's doing. Now I'm going into the Viseart Grande Pro Volume 3 palette, and I'm taking this really dark, deep wine shade and my Sonia G Blender Pro brush, and I'm going to first tap that onto the outer V area, and then I'm going to bring it across using windshield wiper motions into the crease. And as you can see, this matte eyeshadow is nice and pigmented, and look at that blend, so easy. This is why I paid so much money to get a full palette of Viseart matte shadows, because they really are some of the best. And I did not need to go in with any more shadow. Those two dips into the pan was enough to blend it all into the crease from inner corner all the way to the outer V area, the outer V, and onto my lid. Now I'm going to go into the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, and I'm going to take this duochrome shade called Artist Pass, and it is this turquoise with a maroon wine shift to it, and I figured it would pair well with that wine Viseart matte shade that would help bring out the wine in this duochrome eyeshadow, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I did wet my brush. This is the Sephora number 13 flat shader brush, and look how beautiful that is. Look at it, just look at it. And this look is going to look way more dramatic. It's going to look like you put way more effort into it than you did, because it's really just two eyeshadows, but the drama is va-va-voom. Now I'm just going back in with that deep matte burgundy shade. Make sure I blend that into that lid shade, and then I'm just going around in the crease, make sure that I don't lose any of the intensity after putting that lid shade in there. And it looks like I cut the crease because the shadow was wet on my brush for the lid shade, so it looks like it's been cut, but it hasn't. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Glide eyeliner pencil in the shade Aquatic, and I thought that would be a perfect complement to that turquoise duochrome shade on my lid. And then I'm just going back in with that Viseart matte shadow, and this is a Sigma smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge this all onto the lower lash line. I'm going to leave just a little quarter in that corner empty, because that's where I'm going to place the inner corner highlight. And now I'm just taking that lid shade and a damp Makeup Geek pencil brush, and I'm placing that in the inner corner. And this is going to be the whole look. Two eyeshadows and a colorful eyeliner in the waterline. I just used some mascara, and that's it. Tight lined, no wing. Very simple, very easy, but lots of drama. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews here on my channel every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.